Hi, Nancy. Why isn't your child walking? Well, I can tell you right now, because she can't get in and out of standing. Um, to do any kind of milestone, they have to be able to get in and out of the positions. No different than like if I was in a situation emotionally, socially, financially. As human beings, we do not go into a situation we just can't get out of. We just don't. It's almost life threatening to our system, right? One of the things you have to really teach her, and it's in the standing and the walking course. I'm sure you're working with it, but when you can see it even when you're picking her up, you have to do it through that squat, that pubic bone, and that's what goes up. And just like coming back down, that's where it's coming back down. That's what you need to do for your child, right? But she's falling out of standing. So she's not gonna, if she's falling out of standing, she's not gonna walk. That pubic bone strike is really important for a reason, and that's where the glitch is in her system and so forth. So again, to have that pubic bone strike to take that first step, but she needs to go. You can't just prop your child in standing and expect the walk to happen. And that's where again where the hang up is in that area. Thanks.